Welcome to Top Moments TV. As forestry advances, transportation becomes more important than ever. Only industry giants can handle these huge loads. Come see these powerful machines with us. Today I will take you to truck drivers transporting wood on dangerous roads. Is always an image that makes people both admire and excited. They have to drive heavy trucks laden with wood through winding mountain roads, where just a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. The sharp turns, steep slopes and rough roads seem to challenge their will and skills. Especially on days of dense fog, visibility is limited. They have to rely on experience and feeling to stay safe. Each trip is not only a journey, but also a test of the courage and patience of the people who master the steering wheel. If you feel good, please click the subscribe button to follow the next videos.
Lo mete mucho.
Today I will take you to truck drivers transporting wood on dangerous roads. Is always an image that makes people both admire and excited. They have to drive heavy trucks laden with wood through winding mountain roads, where just a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. The sharp turns, steep slopes and rough roads seem to challenge their will and skills. Especially on days of dense fog, visibility is limited. They have to rely on experience and feeling to stay safe. Each trip is not only a journey. Wow! The truck driver driving the car in the riverbed, where the water almost covered the front of the car, was truly a man of admirable courage and resilience. The water flowed rapidly. The foam was white. It seemed like it was about to drown the whole car. But the driver remained calm.
Ahí va.
On the rugged hill, the powerful tractor is diligently pulling heavy logs. The road is bumpy, full of jagged rocks and steep slopes, making every step tense. The roar of the engine blends with the sound of the wheels grinding on the ground, creating a powerful sound in the quiet space of the mountains and forests. The driver, with focused eyes and steady hands, controls the tractor to overcome each dangerous curve. If you find this PJIM attractive, please comment below. The heavily loaded timber truck was stuck in the deep mud. The wheels were half submerged, spinning around without being able to move forward. The long logs on the truck bed seemed to add to the pressure, making any attempt to escape even more hopeless. But fortunately, a powerful bulldozer appeared, with a roaring engine and sharp bulldozer blades. It slowly pushed the timber truck out of the mud. Workers moving giant logs into the processing plant look like artists performing on a big stage. With great concentration, they coordinate rhythmically between the machine operators and the people on the ground. Powerful cranes lift long, heavy logs into the air, turning them precisely to place them in the right place. The 50-ton cargo truck glided across the fast-flowing river. Its huge, heavy wheels imprinted deeply on the riverbed. Under the turbulent water, the waves crashed hard against the shore. But the truck remained steady, each engine roaring like an indomitable force. SANYSY 200C excavator, with its strong and durable design, is performing a challenging rescue mission amid the raging flood. Under the rushing water, the excavator skillfully moves, using its long arm to pull the Thai man's homemade pump that is being swept away. Although the strong current is threatening, with its strength and precision, SANYSY 200C helps the man keep this important equipment.
พูดละดูสิครับสูบมาตั้งหลายวัน
The ferry, a great invention in the transportation industry, has made traveling across rivers easy and convenient. As the ferry slowly glides across the water, vehicles, goods, and passengers are all safely transported from one bank to the other. With its sturdy design, the ferry not only overcomes the waves but also becomes a symbol of the connection between lands. If you find this invention interesting, please comment below. Off-road racing is a challenging competition, where racers have to overcome bumpy roads, gravel, and dangerous turns. The cars, equipped with sturdy suspension systems and special tires, speed through harsh terrain, clinging to the ground and overcoming all obstacles. Each racer has to face not only opponents but also themselves, patiently and persistently overcome all difficulties to win. Logging truck drivers are brave people, with excellent driving skills and boundless patience. They have to drive huge trucks, laden with heavy logs, through dangerous, narrow and rocky mountain roads. Every turn, every move requires precise calculation, to avoid the risk of overturning or losing control. While the cold mountain wind blows, they still hold the steering wheel firmly, absolutely focused on the road ahead, because even the smallest mistake can lead to an accident. Although the job is full of risks, they are always ready to face the challenge, to bring the goods to safety, demonstrating their courage and extensive experience.
The giant tractor rolled across the vast field, its sharp teeth digging deep into the hard soil, spinning and tearing the ground apart. A rumbling sound rang out as the gears spun, creating new, fresh sparkles of earth that glistened in the sunlight. The sharp teeth were like large knives punching deep into the ground, making the soil soft and ready for the new crop. concrete mill in Vietnam is an indispensable tool in the construction industry, especially in large projects. The machine is usually designed with a large mixing tank, which can hold a large amount of concrete, helping to mix materials such as cement, sand, stone, and water. Quickly and effectively, concrete mill contributes to saving time and improving work efficiency in construction. Transporting timber by motorbike in Malaysia is a challenging task, especially when the routes are deep in the jungle or in narrow mountainous areas. The motorbikes, often equipped with wooden crates or baskets, glide over rough dirt roads, over obstacles and sharp turns. The drivers, with their vast experience, skillfully control the vehicles, balancing the load of timber on the vehicle while maintaining speed and safety. One sunny morning, the tractor was slowly moving through a small stream. Suddenly, the rear wheel of the tractor slid off the bank, sinking deep into the water. The wheels spun in the air, but the tractor could not be pulled up. The driver stood there, anxiously looking at the stuck tractor, knowing that rescue would not be easy. Oh God, bad luck for the excavator. Trucks in Thailand. The rugged forest road winds around, covered by a thick layer of forest leaves obscuring the view. The majestic, heavy excavators are transported through this stretch like resilient warriors. The large tires screech on the rough road, sometimes getting caught on sharp rocks or branches jutting out from the sides. The scene of the barge passing through the wharf gate is impressive and full of life. The large barge, with its massive body, glides through the sturdy wharf gate, creating powerful waves that crash against both banks. The sound of machinery roars, the sound of water crashing. If you find this video interesting, please click the subscribe button. Logging in Mexico is a challenging job that requires skill and experience. Logging trucks often travel over rough, mountainous roads, where maneuvering the vehicle through tight turns and steep slopes is a challenge. Logging is often carried over long distances, from dense forests to processing plants, and sometimes through difficult roads and harsh weather conditions. Logging truck drivers in Mexico must have special skills, courage, and patience to operate their vehicles safely, ensuring that the logs get to where they need to go without incident.
Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.